One of my subscribers asked me if I could show the Santa picture that I always say I hang things on the walls. I don't put things under the bed. So everything I've diamond painting is on the walls. For example, this is St. Francis of Assisi, which I finished last year. Over here is a picture of two giraffes. It was one of my first collaborations for diamond painting. I'll get up a little closer and show it to you. It's really pretty. The colors are perfect, and I just really love doing that. I just thought it was interesting that the leaves were blue and the underbrush was blue. I just thought that was so interesting. The designer really did a nice job on that, the artist. Over here, now this is the grand boys' room, our grandson's room. This is what's on the wall. I painted these. These are parrots. And I painted this triptych, it's called. It's 3 pieces, and they're just hung one after the other across the wall there, across the bed. And then we have all their little stuffed animals here. Y'all might recognize this. This is my little bunny dog that I made. I think it's a bunny rabbit that I made last year. And I enjoyed making it, and they've just about torn it up, but he's actually hanging in there. He's not come apart yet. But he has been played with heavily, so he gets a spot on the bed along with all the other store-bought ones and borrowed ones, some given to us by our niece Allison. So we just line them up on the bed right there. And then here is the Santa that I did the end of last year. Right before Christmas I finished him, and we hung him up in the main room, and then after Christmas we decided to move him in here so the boys could look at it and remember Christmas time. So really love that. It's got the little church right there, and then it incorporates Santa and the reindeer. And if you notice, I put a red nose on the reindeer. It was not called for in the picture, but I decided to put that red on Rudolph's nose there. I just call him Rudolph. And then they're looking at the North Star, the Star of Bethlehem, that pointed them to Jesus. So it's just an interesting combination of ideologies there. I really like it. And it's a beautiful diamond painting. It was the first square. Let me get up there. This was square. This is the first square drill painting that I ever did. I really liked it. It was interesting. I learned how to use square drills in my diamond painting on this particular one. So that's a look at the grandson's room and the Santa that my subscriber had. I'm sorry I couldn't remember your name, but the subscriber had asked for me to show it to y'all. So there he is.